I no go waste your time. Here are the 3 steps to take solve this kind of question. For the reaction, NH4NO2 giving us nitrogen gas N2 and 2 molecules of water. Calculate the volume of nitrogen. The volume of nitrogen that will be produced at STP from 3.2 grams of dioxynitrate 3 salt. Now, I'll say one thing. If you don't know how to name compounds, on the WhatsApp group, let us know there. We'll get clips already for their own playlist, so we'll share with you. It will help you learn that one. So back to the question. They also give us the relative atomic mass of each of the elements. So the first thing where you go first solve are to solve for the molar mass of NH4NO2. So the molar mass of this would be 1 times that of nitrogen is 14 plus 4. The atom of hydrogen here is 4. So I'd say 4 times 1 plus 1 times 14 again plus 2 times 16. That of oxygen is 16. You get 14 plus 14. You get 28 plus 4 plus 32. If you add this together, you arrive at 64 grams per mole. 64 grams per mole. So now we don't solve for the molar mass of dioxynitrate 3 salt. Next step is to solve for the mole. So in solving for the mole, we'll make use of mole equals mass over molar mass. So molar mass now just M with a tiny 0 at the bottom. And we are waiting to represent and be that. So it will be our mass here, 3.2. It will be our molar mass. See your molar mass here, 64. So if you say 3.2 divide by 64, I get 0.05. Now, what my calculation show me here now? So 0.05. The unit of mole, and like this is right, I'm just mole. Now, to the last step. The last step, you solve for the volume because they say calculate the volume of nitrogen. So in solving for the volume of nitrogen, you make use of volume equals mole times volume at STP. And in this case, our mole is 0.05 and our volume at STP now is standard volume, and the value now 2.4 dm cube actually, but you just write 2.4 here. Now if you multiply this 0.05 times 2.4, you arrive at 1.12 dm cube. So your answer now 1.12 dm cube. Next step now for you to try to solve the next task I will give you. But at this point, I want to remind you, if you be saying that the first time we watch this clip with this, try to subscribe if you never subscribe, and also leave a like. Now to the clips, to the tasks. Here are the 2 tasks where I go want make you also solve, snap and send to us. If you know the part of the group where you go fit submit, you could use the link in the description box. There's a WhatsApp link in the description box that will bring you to the group where you can actually snap and send your work so we can assess it and make corrections where necessary. Don't forget to also invite your friends, those where they struggle with chemistry. I'll see you for the next clip. Thanks for watching.